What's up with you guys, man? Another day, another W. Mirror distance of an integer. You're given an integer and define its mirror distance as absolute of n minus reverse of n, where reverse is the integer formed by reversing n. Return the integer denoting the mirror distance. Okay, so I'm gonna make a function to reverse n, right? And okay, I'm gonna keep the digits in array for to make it more simple. Okay, so I'm gonna add each of the digits inside of this. Is actually is n, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna do the so my answer is 0, right? And for 0, right? Okay, I'm gonna do ans plus equal. Okay, I don't have it. And I meant to do dot size, div I, and if I less than dot size minus 1, I'm also gonna do as times equal 10, and then I'm gonna return this. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so so we have so 2 is n of, and then we're just gonna return abs of n minus 2, I guess. Right. Alright. Okay, you guys. So yeah, it gets accepted, as we can see. Okay, man. That's it for today. I love you. Every 100 subs on the road to 1K, I'm giving one of you guys a PDF with free tips and tricks on how to solve LeetCode and data structures better. So make sure to subscribe and send me a screenshot with proof on Instagram, link in description. Alright, love you guys. Keep it up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.